vlog, and this is my day trading in FX. Right now I'm chatting with Instacoin's support agent, and I can't seem to get my money over to HugosWay because it's got to be transferred from US into Bitcoin to transfer it to HugosWay. And even every time I go to HugosWay, it sends me back to buy more. So time I go to transfer, Hugos sends me back to you to buy more, but when I go to transfer, it says I don't have any. There is no bit to send. Yeah. Each time you talk to a support agent, they're going to give you a PIN number that you're going to have to give them. It changes every time you confer. So when I go back to transfer, right here, it says I have available. Click on your account tab. Okay. Check your transaction ID. Okay. Okay. W something. Okay. Scroll down and click on authorize. Oh. It just shot me back here. That's not what I want. It just shot me to blockchain. What the hell's back up? That took me to blockchain. I don't want blockchain. Alright, now I'm back out of wherever I was. Click on transaction ID. Click on transaction ID. Let me move them out for a minute. I gotta go back further. All the way up. Transaction ID. Count. Maybe it's at the beginning of it. Oh, click on the transaction ID. Okay. You have that amount. Okay. That is. Alright, this should be This here should be the same as my same as this, the YA. See if that's correct. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. Okay. Oh, my word. Okay. So that's what happened. That's how I do that. That is, and there it is, YA. So it's complete, and we will go authorize. Transfer has been successful. That's what happened. Okay. 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 That was my screw up. Not clicking on the transaction ID. Not clicking. On the transaction ID. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stay safe. Okay. There we go. All right. So Trevor did good. That's it. Click on your account tab. Click on the transaction ID. Scroll down and click authorize. Dagnabbit. Okay. So from the transfer history, when you want to do something and transfer your money, it's now complete. So when the money comes in, then you're going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to give you the authorization. Doggone it. So taking you back through the Hugo system here. Let me go to see if he's closed out. Wait for yeah. You're welcome. You may try your horse since this phone. Okay. These guys are working really hard. All right. Okay, they did good. I'll come back and do a thing here real quick when I get this up. What you want to do, here you go. Where is my? Okay, back to HugosWay. Going back in here, you want to put funds in your HugosWay. You're going to go in here, click on. Then what happens is they're going to send you a code on your phone in your email. And you have to put that in. It changes every freaking time. And then you punch enter. Okay, now you want to deposit funds. Nothing. Didn't show anything in here yet. Okay, deposit. It may take a little while. Deposit funds. Click up here. Then you're going to go here. You got to set up that coin. You got to set up the Coinbase wallet so you can transfer stuff out of your checking account into that. And you select your wallet. You can go BC or you can go US. Select type. We're going Bitcoin via into Instacoin. And you're going to put the amount you want. I usually do 50. So what's going to happen now, it's going to take you into your email, and you're going to go through the process of your transaction. So now you got to go to your mail, see if it's in here yet. It's going to take a few minutes. And then it's going to come in here, and then it's going to look like this anyway. So then it's going to go click on complete my deposit. Okay, then you're going to go ahead and buy it. All right, I haven't bought it yet. You can click on here, and then it's going to go through your debit card. You're going to buy this amount of Bitcoin for $50. And then click it, and then it's going to go ahead and, if I click that right now, it's going to take money right out of my account. Okay. And then once that happens, once it's in the account, just like it showed, which is where I was, I bought it, and then it came into my account, and I couldn't transfer it back over to Hugo's. So you're going to go to, like, my account, like you just said, the money was in there. You click on the ID, and then it's going to take you down to the, I think that's maybe blank now. Okay. This was completed. If it wasn't completed, it would have authorize, and then it would move. So that's there it is in a nutshell. It's that quick. I just forgot to click there. So, all right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we will catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs under day trading and FX. And again, I'm not a professional trader. You're just following me on my journey.